So you have created your first forms on HubSpot, but you still have to place them in the right place on your website. And when we talk about conversion, the most suitable method is to place it on a landing page, a sales page optimized for conversion, as the one you can see here. That's my HubSpot Ultimate Setup Guide that I'm promoting in those series of videos. The good thing is HubSpot allows us to create and host them directly on our portal. So let's see how to do it. First, you need to reserve a domain or subdomain to be able to host it on HubSpot. To do this, you just need to go to Settings, go down, choose Website, Domain and URLs. Then you will need to either buy a domain or connect a domain. You choose Primary and Connect. You will need to select the domain you want to connect, click on Next, choose that you're creating this subdomain for landing pages, click on Next, and you will need to connect your subdomain. For instance, resources.thisisaTestForMyGuide.com, English as a language. Click on Next, verify if everything is good for you, click on Next, and then you will need to talk with your website developer to create a record type CNAME and as resources as host and as this data, which is specific to your portal, as a required data. Once it's done, just click on verify and HubSpot will check the records and verify if it's correctly set up. Once it's done, they will say, good job, your subdomain is connected and you can create your first landing page. So to create a landing page, you just need to go to Marketing, Landing Pages, and as any other marketing assets on HubSpot, you will find the list of all the landing pages you created before. That's our first one, so just need to click on Create Landing Page, choose the subdomain that will host the landing page and give it a name. The first thing you will need to choose is a theme. Some of them are free, others you will need to pay to use them. Basically, a theme is really important because it will allow you to have a per default design and a bunch of different features to personalize your landing page. I really advise you to go to the marketplace and to go through all the different themes to see which one could be the best for your business. Make sure you look at all the different modules and features they propose before purchasing it to don't be limited in your landing page creation. If you don't want to choose a theme, you can just keep this part to directly go to templates where you will be able to choose like specific pre-organized landing pages, but be careful, those templates are really limited in terms of personalization. So if we want to create a landing page for a lead magnet, I guess this one is the most suitable because it's a classic download your ebook landing pages, so the classic lead magnets landing page. We click on Select Template. We notice that a lot of different options are not possible. If we are okay with that, we click on Continue, and we arrive in the editing page of our landing page. Just a quick break to inform you that this video is part of a free training focusing on how to set up your HubSpot portal in the most efficient way possible. This free training will be divided into 7 big modules, each addressing a specific key point of your HubSpot portal. And each module consists into several videos that will go deeper into a specific functionality or feature of your HubSpot portal. If it's not already the case when you watch this video, the videos in this series will be published gradually and they will be added to this specific playlist. I have also prepared a private web page bringing together all the different content of this free training and some additional bonus content. So to benefit of this free content and to be notified for every new chapter that is releasing, I invite you to click on the link in the description below. So because it's a free template is really limited, but you can do most of the basic stuff such as like modifying the text. You can change the visual of the page by drag and dropping the good image on this part of your portal or upload images. You can also add new modules. Based on the template or theme you will choose, you will have more or less module, but for instance, we want to add like description text. We can add it here, we can modify it as we want. You can either like add a video if needed. The video can be directly hosted on your portal with HubSpot video or from YouTube, for instance. So basically, we choose this one. We can adapt the size and apply change. That way, the video will be directly displayed on your web page and you can do all the personalization you need. The last thing you need to think about is to select the good form. So click on No Form Selected, choose the form we created in the last video. You can modify it if needed and it will appear here. Once again, it's a free template, so it will not look good, but you can try to make it look better by modifying each styles option to try to make it look better. Once you're happy with the final look of your landing page, you can just click on Settings and fill every single line of information. So for the page title, for instance, we can give it that name, we can change the slug to make it shorter, we can add a meta description, you can even ask AI to do it for you. Well, because I didn't put any text, it doesn't look that relevant. You can save some time by using this tool. You can choose a campaign, which is really important, but we will see that in one of the last videos of this training. You can choose a featured image that will be displayed when you share it on social media, and you can choose the language of the page. Once everything is done, you can click on Publish. So once again, it's a HubSpot editing tool, so you can't do miracles in terms of designs. That's why it's really important for you to choose the good theme and template. I hope you enjoy this video. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up, to subscribe to this channel, and to save this playlist to make sure you don't miss any new chapter of this free training. And don't forget the link in the description below that gives you this free access to all the content of this free training, plus more additional content on how to set up your HubSpot portal in the most efficient way possible. For those who are discovering me through this video, I'm Grégoire, HubSpot expert for more than 7 years now, and I will see you very soon for more HubSpot tips.